Of cell phones is only going up in the U.S., and that's reignited concerns about the potential exposure to cell phone radiation. In tonight's Daily.com, what a new study is suggesting about that. They're almost everywhere you look. Cell phones provide that instant communication, and a lot of people rely on that. But what happens when we lift that cell phone to our ear? Can the radio frequency signals emitted from the phone affect our brain? Well, it seems no one knows for sure, so that's why the National Institute on Drug Abuse tried to find out. In their study, participants had cell phones placed on their left and right ears. One cell phone was activated but muted for 50 minutes. The other was off. Then they were tested with both cell phones turned off. Now, researchers use this brain imaging technology to monitor the amount of glucose consumed in the brain. They say in this case, the glucose is a marker and would indicate if there were any changes in brain activity due to cell phone use.
50-minute exposure to a cell phone was associated with increases in glucose consumption by the brain, which indicates that the brain was being activated by the radio frequencies from the cell phone.
Well, based on this image, cell phone use does appear to increase brain activity in the areas close to where the antenna was. But don't get too alarmed. Researchers say it's still too early to make a declaration on the health implications. Researchers looked at 47 healthy people for over a year in this study, which, by the way, appears in this week's Journal of the American Medical Association.